Hello, substitute teacher. This is Trang here, Trang Luong. So our the classroom that I have my math 20-3, which is one of the class that you have in the afternoon block 3. It is a math class, and I do not have a whiteboard. I just have a projector in my room. So what I do to accommodate that, because in math, when you show student solution, um, you need to show them how to do it by writing it out. So what I use is the drawing tablet. So you can see on my desk there is a drawing tablet hooked up already. So what you can do to set it up is first to search for the name of this tablet. You type H and it's a Huion tablet. All you have to do is just click on it and you will have this this window open. Okay. You can click on administrator privilege first. It doesn't matter. You say no, and in the work area, sometime it is not in the right area for you to use. So you can just hit identify, and it will tell you whether this monitor is number 3 or not. My screen, my projector is number 1 at this time. It can change from time to time, but whatever number that show up, you're gonna set your work area, which is where you're gonna use this tablet to draw on. So for the demonstration of this video, I'm gonna set my work area to the number 3. So right now, number 1 is my projector I usually use for my student, but I'm just gonna set it to number 3 to show you. So once you set your work area and you hit apply, this software always need to be in the background. Yeah, it's kind of weird, but you cannot close it. Then your tablet won't work properly. So I will send with you the a couple of things. One is the math workbook itself. So this is what I use with my student. Just hold on. So I have this. I cannot share this with you because it won't sync properly between two different users. But what you can do is just make a Word document. Just create a new Word document just like this, a blank document, right? And I send with you the workbook. So all you have to do is open the workbook. Let me see. Okay, so this is, for example, this is a workbook for chapter 1 and 2. So let's say, for example, if you want to show the student how to do, let's pick an easy question. Let's say if you want to show the student how to do these questions, right? I can highlight it and copy it, or you can take a screenshot and you put it in your Word document so the student know what question you're working on. So there, okay? So I will send with you, for example, work on these questions from this page to this page. So usually I would go through the examples on the pages with them, and then I will do maybe the first question in as an example, and then tell them to do the remaining question. But every time, let's say I tell them to do question 2 and 3, and we'll give them 5 minutes, then I will correct them later on in 5 minutes. So I will put this on my screen. So this document go on the screen, and I am using the pen on the tablet right now. So you can start by just writing it out. And you can see, for example, I did this yesterday, right? So I take a screenshot of this shape. I just go like this. Just find the snipping tool in your tool here. So just find a snipping tool, and this one will come out, and you go new. Then you can take a screenshot of, let's say, some shape like this one, for example, and you can put it in the document that you just made. So this is another question, right? You just put it right here, and you can use your pen. So this is a eraser, this is the pen, the blue pen, and this is a black. I don't use a pencil because it doesn't look good. It comes with the different thickness. I like this one, it's thin. So you can do the annotation on the shape itself by showing the student on how to solve the question. So you can write the solution, setting up the ratio. For example, right? And then what is the ratio of the water? Like that, right? And you can annotate, you can make, you can write anything on this, right? So I have my question already ready. I know you just come in, you probably don't have, but it's really easy. You just highlight and copy. If it's a shape, you just take a snipping tool and you just show the student on how to do it using the drawing tablet. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you want to show them how to do some question in details. Alternatively, if you're not comfortable with the drawing tablet, you can always show them the solution. So I send with you the solution. So this is the solution. You can share with them and explain to them how to get the answer. So that this is another way, but you don't, I know sometimes you want to explain by writing it out. So this is it, a little tutorial about the